Hey guys, it's Shy. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of my morning routine. This is typically how a Sunday morning looks like in my house. This taking apart my bed, I only do once a week, which I did yesterday, but the kids spilled coffee on my bed, so I'm having to do that again. And I usually do a load or two every single day just to keep the laundry down, which you can see the pile on my floor already. And it's because I hadn't done laundry in a couple of days, but there's 7 of us, so I have to keep on it every single day if I don't want it to pile up.
That's fun, got me so undone. Strictly your lover, and all the time, baby. Get your heartbeat so senseless. Who the hell knows? Who the hell knows? Who the hell knows? Strictly your lover, and all the time, baby. Attitude pretentious. Who the hell knows? Who the hell knows? You didn't say you had a boyfriend. How did he come from? Am I the one taking the blame? He's 6'1" with the Ray-Bans. She's a beautiful liar. I'm just a pawn in her game. She's a beautiful liar. Oh, she's a beautiful liar. Oh, baby, you got me on the run, but I don't regret being a fool for your touch. Strictly your lover, and all the time, bummer. Get your heartbeat so senseless. Who the hell knows? Who the hell knows? Who the hell knows? Strictly your lover, and all the time, bummer. Attitude pretentious. Who the hell knows? Who the hell knows? You didn't say you had a boyfriend. How did he come from? Am I the one taking the blame? He's 6'1" with the Ray-Bans. She's a beautiful liar. I'm just a pawn in her game. She's a beautiful liar. Oh, she's a beautiful.
That's it. I usually get all the kids ready, but all of them didn't want to participate in my videos, so I'm on my last child getting him ready, and he is probably my hardest because he won't sit still. I have to keep pulling him back or giving him something to distract him with, and even that doesn't work sometimes, so I'm surprised how well he did for this part.
You didn't say you had a boyfriend. How did he come from?
Oh, no, you don't understand. Yep. Oh wow, look at this handsome guy all on his own. Oh! Good morning guys. So I am going to try and get ready real quick. We are going to the lake. I think we're going to go get some fishing rods. I'm not too sure what we're going to do. Sorry, I keep getting unfocused. Yes, Chica's taking a bath right now. But we're all getting ready. I already got Orion Ezra ready. Zayden's already got himself ready since early this morning. I'm just letting him wear whatever he wants, do whatever he wants, because we're just going to the lake. The other ones I usually just dress them, but we're taking swimsuits, everything just in case. We're gonna stop at Walmart and see if we find some fishing rods. If we don't, then we're just gonna go play at the lake for the day. We'll probably stop and get some food.
And I want to bring my toys.
You gonna bring some toys?
Yeah, like Cinderella.
Cinderella. Okay, well you gotta see what you gotta pack your bag, what you're gonna take.
Which bag?
I don't know, just a backpack. But I'm gonna get ready real quick because I haven't brushed my teeth. I haven't done nothing. I drank my coffee and the kids spilled it on the bed, so I had to do laundry again after I just washed all my sheets and everything. So I'm starting over for the day.
I'm gonna say hi to everybody.
Okay, but you're in the bath. You can say it from in there. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hurry up and get ready so that way we can actually go. And Adam's in there with the other kids. I don't know what he's doing right now, but I'm just gonna brush my teeth. I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on because I'm tired of looking a hot mess all the time. Like, I want to look nice for once. It's not gonna work out, so I'm gonna get ready. I'll be right back. So I'm finally ready. We're getting ready to go. My makeup looks terrible. Not liking it. Yeah.
Hi.
She's putting her makeup on and getting ready, huh?
Mom's helping me with mascara. Can't do mascara.
Let's see, Chica. Ow, my butt just got stuck to the vacuum. Oops. Chica, look up. Anyways, Adam is loading the kids up in the car. I'm finishing up in here. You can't have it. It's dirty. It's yucky and old. We gotta throw this away. This baby has been standing and so cute. He doesn't realize it. Like right now, he's standing on his own and he don't even realize it. Look at this big boy. He's standing by himself. Did you get a wipe and clean your eye? Okay. Hey, put my makeup away so we can go. Whoa. Face plant. He realized he was standing. But we got him these cute little Vans yesterday. These are a size 6, guys. They look like they're huge on his feet, but they're not. We were tried on a 5 and there was like his toe was already at the edge, so we tried a 5. But these 6s, they are a tiny bit big, but still those will last him. Are you eating my makeup, Ezra?
Yeah.
That boy. But these should last him. I want him to last him for his birthday, you guys. Next month on the 23rd. He turns a year old. Your birthday passed. It's done. I can't believe my baby's gonna be a year old. Like, I don't even know. Where did the time go? You need to clean your chin. It's all black. She put my eyeshadow all over her face. Look, let's show them. Let's see. Right there on her chin. Let's see if it focuses. Chica. Go clean your face. And she just got a bath and she's all black. All your chin right here is black. Go wipe it, Chica. Let's go, puppy. Ooh, and I bought these cute shorts from Old Navy yesterday. They're the same like the pants I showed in my last video, but they're shorts and I love them. And I had a $30 coupon, so I got that and a bunch of other stuff. I'll show you guys later when we come home everything I got. We're kind of in a hurry, so I'm not gonna show you now.
With my pants. I'm not bringing mine down. On a green fishing rod.
You want a green fishing rod? Ew, I just touched your sucker. Come on. Let's go get one. Yeah? Are you gonna go fishing, catch some fish?
Yeah!
Yay! Okay, let's go. What, Chica?
I'm going fishing with some fish.
Okay. Chubbers, wait!
Get back.
What are you gonna get?
I don't know.
You don't know yet? Let's go see what we find.
I'll see.
So we came back, or we didn't come back, we came to the other Walmart, and because we went to the one Walmart, they didn't only have a bunch of girl stuff, no boys. So then we came to a different Walmart and they don't have any girl stuff, just boys, which they only have that. But we are just gonna get the boys, just some regular ones. And I guess we're gonna go back to the other Walmart, right, Chica? You want a princess one? Okay, we're gonna go back to the other Walmart because she wants a princess one. She doesn't want just a pink one. She wants a princess. And they have some here, but they're 20 bucks. So
Mom, are those for kids also?
no, that's a lot of money too. So I guess we're gonna have to hurry. It's already like after 3, I think, and we're still here trying to get fishing rods. But
Mom,
guys, ready? Let's get going so we're not taking so long. So guys, it has been kind of a hectic day. So we were all over the place trying to find fishing rods. And then we finally got him, and then we drove all the way to the lake that we were gonna go to, and we forgot $5. So we couldn't get in. And the lady's like, well, you can stay for 10 minutes. And we're like, no, that 10 minutes will be enough time. Just take out one child. So we left, and we came to the park by our house, and it's already like starting to get windy and raining, so maybe it was a good idea we didn't make it. So we figured we'd come here and let the kids play for a bit and feed them. We had brought like stuff to make sandwiches and all that. And Adam's making them some. I'm gonna get down to play with them for a bit. I think after that we're just probably gonna go home and relax because it's gonna be cold. I'm trying not to be awkward. This lady's like looking at me and I look like I'm talking to myself, so I'm gonna go.
I don't usually go out this late at night to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire.
What are you doing over there? Oh.
You should dance with me. You should get to know me. Kick it with the hobbies. Let go of your worries. You should dance with me.
This person has like a ton of peacocks. There's like a... No, look at the roof.
Holy.
That's crazy. My camera can't focus on them. Ooh, look at Chubbers washing his own hair like a big boy. Puppy! I think he's a puppy. No, he said he doesn't.
Ezra, are you a puppy?
Yeah, and the puppy.
Since we didn't get to go fishing, Arai is fishing in the bathtub. Did you catch one?
Yes.
Let's see.
I got one.
All right, that's a bluefish. I like it.
Wait again.
Uh-huh. Reel it in. All right, you caught another one.
Yeah.